Hello student, I Mahendra Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. Our next topic is Kirchhoff's voltage law. We all know that Kirchhoff's voltage law states that algebraic sum of the voltage drop across the circuit element of any closed path is 0. Summation of k equal to 1 to n v of k equal to 0. For an example, see in your screen. क्वेश्चन आपसे ये पूछा है कि फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ V1 एंड V2 यूजिंग किरचॉफ्स वोल्टेज लॉ, या कुछ और भी पूछा जा सकता है कि फाइंड द करंट पासिंग थ्रू 8 ओम रजिस्टर फॉर द सर्किट शोन इन द फिगर यूजिंग किरचॉफ्स वोल्टेज लॉ, या फाइंड द करंट पासिंग थ्रू 3 ओम रजिस्टर फॉर द सर्किट शोन इन द फिगर एंड एक्सेट्रा. In our example, we all know the number of loop equal to 3. So, 3 current are assumed in all the loop. Loop number 1, we assume current I1 in clockwise direction. Loop number 2, we assume current IB clockwise direction, and loop 3 current IC assume in clockwise direction. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ये IA, IB या IC assume करें. आप I1, I2, I3 assume कर सकते हैं, IX, IY, IZ assume कर सकते हैं, clockwise भी assume कर सकते हैं, एंटी clockwise भी assume कर सकते हैं. कुछ करंट की डायरेक्शन क्लॉकवाइज भी ले सकते हैं, कुछ करंट का डायरेक्शन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज भी डायरेक्शन में भी हम अज्यूम कर सकते हैं. अप्लाई किरचॉफ्स वोल्टेज लॉ इन लूप 1. IA इक्वल टू 6 एम्पियर बिकॉज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ I1, IA एंड 6 एम्पियर इज सेम. सो IA इक्वल टू 6 एम्पियर एंड लास्ट लूप the direction of 2 ampere and IC is same, so I of C equal to 2 ampere. In loop number 2, apply Kirchhoff's voltage law starting from 8 ohm resistor. We all know that Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. So voltage drop across 8 ohm resistor equal to 8 into IB minus IA. IB minus IA because apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop number 2. So 8 into IB minus IA. If apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop 1, then 8 into IA minus IB. अब IB minus IA या IA minus IB because in 8 ohm resistor the direction of current IA and IB are opposite to each other. The direction of current IA in 8 ohm resistor downward and the direction of current IB in 8 ohm resistor is upward. So 8 into IB minus IA or 8 into IA minus IB. IA minus IB or IB minus IA depends on the loop. If apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop 1, then 8 into IA minus IB, and if apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop number 2, then 8 into IB minus IA. 8 into IB minus IA, and the value of IA equal to 6. So 8 into bracket IB minus 6. Then voltage drop across 3 ohm resistor, simple 3 into IB, because in 3 ohm resistor only IB current flowing from 3 ohm resistor. Next, voltage drop across 2 ohm resistor. In 2 ohm resistor, multiple currents flowing from 2 ohm, IB and IC. IB, the direction of IB flowing from 2 ohm downward, and the direction of current IC flowing from 2 ohm is upward. So the voltage drop across 2 ohm resistor is 2 into IB minus IC or IC minus IB. It's depend on the Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop. If apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop 2, then 2 into IB minus IC, and if apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop number 3, then 2 into IC minus IB. The total equation is 8 into IB minus 6 plus 3 into IB plus 8 into IB minus 2 equal to 0. Put the value IA and IC 6 and 2 and solve the value of IB. Get the value of IB equal to 3.036 ampere. If find the value of V1 and V2, what is the value of V1? V1 equal to 8 into IA minus IB. Why IA minus IB? The potential V1 is positive and direction of IA is downward. So V1 equal to 8 into IA minus IB. The value of V2 equal to 2 into IB minus IC, and so on. If question is that find the value of current passing through 3 ohm resistor, then the value of current passing through 3 ohm resistor equal to V1 minus V2 upon 3 or V2 minus V1 upon 3. It's depend on the value of V1 and V2. If the value of V1 is higher with compared to V2, then the current passing through 3 ohm resistor equal to V1 minus V2 upon 3. If the value of V2 is higher with compared to V1, then the value of current passing through 3 ohm resistor equal to V2 minus V1 upon 3. That's all.